Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight moves for building upper body strength, if your form is dialed in. But if your technique is off, you're not just slowing progress, you're setting yourself up for pain and wasted effort. And chances are, you're making at least one of these 5 mistakes. Let's clean that up. Mistake number 1, looking forward or up. Tilting your head up breaks your alignment and puts unnecessary stress on your neck. Instead, keep your gaze slightly down. Focus on a point on the floor just in front of your hands so your head stays neutral with your spine. Mistake number 2, elbows flaring wide. When your elbows shoot out to the sides, your shoulders take the hit, and not in a good way. This position is unstable and increases injury risk. Instead, keep your elbows tucked at about a 45-degree angle. Your arms and body should form a strong, arrow-like shape. Mistake number 3, hips dropping. Letting your hips sag puts pressure on your lower back and reduces core engagement. It also makes the exercise less effective. Fix it by bracing your core, tightening your glutes, and maintaining a straight line from your head all the way to your heels. Mistake number 4, rounded shoulders. If your shoulders roll forward, your chest disengages and smaller muscles take over too soon. That means less strength and faster fatigue. Keep your shoulders pulled back and stable throughout the movement to stay strong and controlled. Mistake number 5, only moving straight up and down. Push-ups aren't just vertical. If you're going straight up and down, you're missing proper chest activation. Think about pushing slightly forward as you press up, like you're driving the floor away from you. This small shift makes a big difference. Now that your form is locked in, take it further by liking and subscribing. See you in the next one.